Mopar to take a look at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 Plymouth Duster. This particular car, are some announcements on it. As far as the engine, we have had it running. We had kind of a secondary bottle feed to it, so it wasn't running off the tank, but secondary bottle feed to it runs. So this is kind of what I would say a running project. 318 underneath the hood. I'll let you go ahead and take a look at the front. Chrome headlight surrounds, grille. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. And you can see the engine bay, the undersides. Make sure you take a good look at the undersides. We'll need some TLC. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Has had a repaint to this red. Yes, paint does show its age some. Stripes on the hood. So paint is not perfect by any means. Interior front seat does have a seat cover on it. Yes, peeled that back and look some. The vinyl is kind of hashed out on the driver's side for sure. So you figure vinyl seat covers. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Give you a good look up and down the passenger side there. Chrome on the rear. And again, pictures, every angle of this car, just like the rest of them on our website, inside and out, top to bottom, trunks, engine bay. Uniqueclassiccars.com is where you're going to find those. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Now, of course, typically I start them up. I do not have the external bottle feed or gas feed for this, so we're not going to fire this one up. But like I said, we have had it running. You can see the engine bay pictures in with the rest of our still pictures, as well as the undersides, interior. Give you a look at this too on the video quick. And there'll be a picture of the data tag, the VIN. Want to do any decoding on this, feel free to. That will all be in the pictures also. There you go, looking for a project vehicle. 1973 Plymouth Duster. 318 underneath the hood, automatic trans. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. It'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation of this vehicle.